CCTV.
Manus nam daki lakbon ki bakwa penpinda ke MBBS Henry Kindiat ki bapas ke admission kalapli ha Emmanuel Coaching Academy epi join menta pinyo ki kot bat ki materials kin don ru ki mock test ban pinkraya pi nagabanda ka NEET.
Ki Kristan Hagdala Arunachal Pradesh ki badan hapok Shatri jangka Arunachal Christian Forum kilapha jingtho sha uminterang ba jangka Arunachal Pradesh upema khandu bandawa ba ka Sorkar kariban Sngi no shwa ya ka jingthmu banshna rule ya ka Arunachal Pradesh Freedom of Religion Act shia jakandai spa nya pupra number ba kani kan kta ya ki Kristan bat ya ka jinglai lu jongki ha ka jinge jongka jing shakri blai Kaniga forum kalau ong baka jingle jongka high powered committee kadai ke balale kerki kalau ong ruba ki kinhun Niam per kila kerpat ya ka Sorkar hendrai ka Sorkar kam singam bat ka yai be shakmat klem da ya selok bat kani bat kala ruban wanra ya ka jinga kan at hagjalla bat kala ruban poi shaka jinga snam ka Arunachal Christian Forum kila bu lai tili ki kendon ya ka Sorkar kata ban Sngi shwa ya ka jingtmu ban thaurul kamdei ban pentrikam ya kita ki balatmu ban shna bat ka di ban Weng no shisendon ya ka APFRE Act shia jakra spa nyabupra kila aipor khatsan Sngi ya ka Sorkar bakan jubab halor kani balada ka Sorkar kam jubab kin pelong da ka jingki bat ka jingya rali ka bahe bat kin pakhang shnong ru habaro ka wei ka jilla Arunachal
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.